Hey, so you've got an amazing character rig, but here's the problem. When you place it into your scene or try to animate it, your timeline crawls to a halt. Sound familiar? You've got two options: spend hours manually optimizing it, or use Proxify Plus. Let me show you what makes this worth it. A Blender rig isn't just bones and meshes, it's an entire ecosystem. You've got your armature driving deformed meshes, objects constrained to bones, drivers controlling properties. It gets complicated fast. You've probably seen studio productions using simplified rigs on behind-the-scenes footage. There's a reason for that.
So this is woody that's just made out of basic geometric shapes like cylinders and spheres, and it goes faster, that's why we use it at this point.
Performance equals productivity. Proxify Plus lets you achieve that in seconds. It analyzes your entire rig and builds a lightweight, fully functional proxy that preserves all your animation controls while removing the heavy computational load.
All right, that's enough. Look, we're all very impressed.
But here's what makes it special. Proxify Plus doesn't just copy and decimate. It actually understands your rig's relationships and gives you complete control over how the proxy is generated. It identifies direct children, your main deformed meshes parented to the armature. Then it tracks indirect children, like that empty object parented to your shoulder armor, which hooks into a curve acting as a cable. It recognizes objects parented directly to bones, non-mesh objects like curves and lattices, and those tricky surface-deformed setups where one mesh follows another's deformation. Understanding these relationships is crucial because the proxy needs to preserve your animation functionality. With Proxify Plus, it's fast and precise. In practice, this means you spend less time cleaning up rigs. Animators get streamlined versions that are actually productive to work with. Your viewport performance improves dramatically, and you might even realize you don't need to upgrade your computer after all.
Buttons all over the place, but it's actually fairly simple.
If you're exporting to a game engine, you can quickly generate multiple levels of detail effortlessly. If you are creating VFX, it is super quick to generate efficient collision meshes. Whether you are a rigger, animator, generalist, project assembler, a VFX guy, or a professional studio, this will save you serious time. Check the link in the description to learn more.